And we're back. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it's green now. Can I shoot this? I mean, I can, but nothing comes of it.
Fuck it.
What? What? Why are you saying fuck it?
Stop the train.
Stop the train? Why are we stopping the train?
I want to see what it does.
No, I don't want to see what it does.
I do. Stop the train.
No, I'm not stopping the train. No! Don't stop the train. I don't want to know what it does.
It probably doesn't kill us.
But I'm assuming it does. Ooh,
Well, it could just be like part of the void, you know.
Yes, but it could be there so that we don't stop for long enough. I can't get that. Fuck. What's this?
Actually, no, you've got a point there.
Organics. Yeah. And this isn't just because I've watched someone else play this. I'm assuming that the reason that's there is so we don't stop for long enough. Oh, I can sprint in the air. That's helpful. I didn't know that.
Did you not know that?
I did not know that.
That's probably why you were stopping the thing, isn't it?
Yes, probably. Leeches.
They won't do any damage, but they'll slow the train down. Shoot them before they get stuck to the train. Okay.
Steady wood.
Oh, there's one like there.
That wood.
Oh! What the
What?
It like appeared behind me.
Oh, you got scared, did you?
Maybe.
You fucking twat.
Maybe a little bit. It's just like, oh shit, that's like a whole swarm of leeches.
Where?
They were over on the. Oh, motherfucker, you just pushed me off. Getting back on the fucking train's hard enough.
It's not.
It is, because it keeps fucking glitching.
What the hell? Yeah. Ah! I'm being hurt! I'm getting hurt! Oh, it's foggy! Oh, God! Oh, dear! Help! Help! I can't get back on the train! Oh, there we go.
You know what that sounds like, Tom?
Don't you fucking dare. Ah!
You problem.
Oh, I hate you.
Oh, that thing is creepy.
Yeah. That's... Yes. Oh, what the hell? Oh, I gave all my scrap metal to you, didn't I? Stop shooting the creatures. They've done nothing wrong.
Oh, they did everything wrong.
Oh, what did they do? Did they insult you?
They existed outside the rule of the Great Yorkshire Empire.
Oh god, we're not starting that again, are we?
Yes.
Oh no. France, beware.
This is the great and bountiful Yorkshire Empire.
Well, let's be honest, Abraham. If it's populated by us two, then no, it's not.
It is.
Questionable. Right.
Fuck, that's a big fuck off shadow.
I want to expand the train.
Yeah, go ahead. What do you need to do that?
Oh, fucking! I hit one. I hit one.
Oh, nice.
I killed one. They're fucking dead. Die, bitches! I hit another one.
So did I. Oh, there's an actual big fucker here.
Is there? Where?
Yeah, I killed him.
Oh, I thought you... Okay.
Like, the leeches that are on their own and bigger are the ones that are actually going to attach themselves to the train. They
Alright.
give us leather and stuff.
Ooh, so we can upgrade our...
Bodies.
clothing. Oh shit, it's behind us. Oh dear. Did it give you a fright, Abraham? Ooh, look,
I will
island.
stab you.
Island.
Oh yeah. We can't go to it.
No, we
I don't
can't.
think.
No, we can't. It's a shame. We can later, though. Open sesame.
Is it going to be another station?
Yes.
Alright.
Your eyes are glowing.
I built the container. I know, because I set the red eye stat to maximum.
Oh, Jesus. Hello. Uh-oh.
Oh, I should probably get back on the train.
You are on the train.
I wasn't a second ago.
Oh, dear. Crikey.
Oh.
Right. Yes.
Station!
Explore. Exploration.
Hang on, wait. So can we set off whenever we like to? We don't
Explore
have to,
station.
like, wait.
Yeah, of course we can set off whenever we want.
Or, like, and there's not a specific point at which we have to set off.
Nope.
Cool.
Wow, those don't explode. That's a shame. I wanted to die.
Though, yeah, I was hoping some of the fire extinguishers would like hiss or something, but it is early access, to be fair.
Oh, hello, scrap metal.
Hello.
Move out me way, you bastard.
Oh, fuck you.
Oh, fuck you too.
Ooh. Interact. Scrap metal. How the fuck did you miss that? It was glowing.
How the fuck did I miss that? Oh, wait. Abraham.
Yeah.
Come upstairs.
I don't want to deal with that right now.
Okay.
That's not something I particularly
there's another
want.
one as well. Behind it. You okay over there?
Am I helping?
I don't know. Is there anything else?
I don't think so.
Can I get that?
Oh,
there?
yeah, there's a
Over where?
scrap metal.
Oh, lovely. How'd you get there? Well, probably through this door. Oh well. Oh, hang on. What the fuck? I'm really
You can't
tempted
get
to
up. Okay.
jump off. Oh, there are two of them.
Oh! What the hell?
Abraham. Oh, I'm gonna join you in it. There are two of them. I'm here.
Oh, hi.
I hate you. Never.
I
do
didn't mean to
again,
do that,
please.
I'm sorry.
Never do that again, please.
I didn't mean to do that in the slightest.
I'm sure you did.
Creature is drawing closer to its prey.
No, don't say that.
Our heroes should be more vigilant.
Don't. Oh, fucking hell. Move the thing. Move the thing. Move the thing. Move the thing.
I'm going.
Quickly move it. And what on earth do these mean by big building? Big. What shipment call it?
There we go. We're going. We're going. What can I research? Oh, okay. So I can research basic components. A workbench. So we need 3 iron and 3 wood. Okay.
Oh, get it. Oh, fuck. There's a thing.
What thing?
Oh, God. There's a big fucking creature.
Where?
Behind us, I think.
Oh, hello.
Get on the
Oh,
fucking...
you see that?
Where's he gone?
It's over there.
Where?
Over there.
Over where?
Over there.
Oh, are you swimming towards it or away from it?
No, I'm swimming away from it.
Oh, okay.
What the fuck, you think I'd be swimming towards that thing?
It'd be funny. Why do... Ow! Oh, shit.
What?
I got hit and then I got stunned.
Ah.
Yes, not very good. Oh, fuck me!
What the hell?
I think I just
Get
got...
on the thing.
I think I just got butt fucked by the alien. I'm trying my damnedest. Oh my god, that scared me half to death.
Right, we're going. It's okay. We're moving.
Stay away from my asshole, you slippery bastard.
Have you got 2 wood?
Maybe. Why?
I need it.
Why the fuck off?
Obstacles.
Oh my god. Thank fuck it gave us a tutorial right as we were about to crash into an obstacle.
Yep.
Yes, I should have some wood. Oh, hello. What are you?
That's a leech.
That's a leech. Ah. Oh, hang on.
God, my aim's terrible in this game.
Yes, it is. So's mine.
Oh, I killed it.
Maybe if I sound the horn, it'll scare it off. Yes.
Oh, he was easing the leech. Okay.
Oh, okay.
My dude just used a hammer on my gun.
A what?
He just used a hammer on the gun.
Oh, well, makes it fire faster, I guess.
Right, we have a workbench now. We need
Ooh,
3
cool.
ingots and 3 wood to build it.
I've got wood.
I'll get to work on the ingots.
Okay, where's the workbench?
No, I haven't built it yet. That's the thing.
Right, okay. I want to know how to expand upon the train.
That's one you can figure out.
I'm assuming you need the workbench for it. Open! There we go. Oh, that's
how
all it
much-
can store?
Yeah, how much scrap metal have you got, dude?
12.
Oh, can I have it all, please?
Yeah, if you stop the
Don't
train.
stop it. Yeah, no, don't stop it. I will just stand here and grab it, okay?
Okay, incoming.
Oh, headshot.
Ooh,
Headshot. Oh, yes.
nice.
Right.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Go. 1, 2, and 3. Lovely. Oh god.
Oh,
Still on the train.
Just teleport again.
Oh, bloody hell. Oh god. Oh, Jesus. Oh, dear lord.
What?
The train is too fast. I can't swim. Aha! 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 I'm so good at this game. Why are you stopping?
I shot the brake.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, okay. That's actually, that's going to become very handy. Also, another door. Lovely.
Workbench.
How many? 6. All right. Okay. Sound like 6. Open sesame. Yeah. Right. Shoot the thing. It's just like a giant target. Oh my god. The hell? Ooh.
Oh, right. Could I have the rest of your wood, please, by the way?
Oh yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Some wood.
Beautiful. So next...
I think that's everything. I'm at 68 health.
I don't know, it could be food related, maybe.
I don't think so. We don't have a... Oh, we have a food and water thing, but... How do we make food?
Well, I have some raw meat.
Oh, put it in the furnace.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you didn't think of that.
Oh, you can't.
Oh. Oh!
Oh, I thought you were on the goddamn train.
I was, but I went to go search again.
I'm sorry. That one is not entirely my fault.
It's not. But you're still a twat.
Oh, no, I'm a twat, don't worry.